With the sleek design and top-of-the-line features, the Google Pixel 7 is a popular choice among smartphone users. However, it's important to protect your device from drops, scratches, and other types of damages, and that's where cases come in. So whether you're looking for a rugged case to take on the go or a stylish one to complement your personal style, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll be showcasing the top 7 cases for Google Pixel 7 that will keep your device looking and working like new. The OtterBox Defender is a rugged and durable case for your Google Pixel 7. This premium case offers multi-layer protection to guard your device against drops, dirt, scrapes, and bumps. Not only will it keep your phone looking like new, but it also features lasting antimicrobial properties to protect the case from harmful germs and bacteria. With its ability to outlast heavy use and wear and tear, the case is sure to be your trusty companion in all your adventures. The case is also compatible with wireless and MagSafe charging pads, so you can charge your device with ease. Plus, the holster clip and kickstand allow for hands-free viewing, making it perfect for watching videos and taking video calls while being on the go. And don't worry about dust and dirt getting into your phone's ports and jacks, as the port covers will keep them sealed tight. With the OtterBox Defender, you can have peace of mind knowing your device is well protected. The UAG Scout is more than just a protective case for your Google Pixel 7. It's a companion for the modern wanderer. The sleek design features smooth channels, distinguished bumpers, and UAG brand detail, giving you a stylish and functional accessory that's built to withstand the rigors of everyday life. Made from a feather-light composite construction of strong and durable TPU, the Scout offers essential protection for your device, including a signature UAG armor shell and impact-resistant core that guard against drops, dings, and scratches. But the Scout is more than just a tough exterior. The case also includes textured bumpers that provide a non-slip grip and better handling, making it easy to take your phone with you on the go. Scratch-resistant skid pads offer more drop protection, while the raised screens surround the camera bezel and keep your device's most vulnerable parts safe from harm. So whether you're exploring the great outdoors, commuting to work, or just running errands, the UAG Scout is the perfect companion for your Google Pixel 7. Are you in the market for a new phone case that not only looks sleek and stylish but also provides ultimate protection for your Google Pixel 7? Then look no further than the Mous Limitless 5.0. This case boasts a slimline design with a microfiber lining to protect your glass back from scratches and scuffs. The rippled grip ribs give you an extra level of security, ensuring that you won't accidentally drop your phone, and for added peace of mind, the case features double wrist strap eyelets so you can keep your phone close at hand. But the protection doesn't stop there. The Limitless 5.0 is equipped with AeroShock defensive technology, a high defense camera bump, and ultra-rigid materials for ultimate impact protection. The interlocking TPU construction ensures that your case will last a lifetime, plus it's completely MagSafe compatible, allowing you to easily and securely attach your phone to a magnetic charging dock or other MagSafe accessories. The TORRO leather case not only protects your Google Pixel 7 but also adds a touch of luxury and style to your device. Handcrafted from premium cowhide leather sourced from the finest tanneries in the US, the case is designed to provide full and unrestricted access to all of the device's features. The top grain leather undergoes minimal treatment, preserving the natural properties and appearance of the case, but it's not just about looks. The case also features a durable TPU frame that has been formulated to aid shock absorption, protecting your device from drops and bumps. The folio-style case design minimizes wear and tear to the screen when stored in a bag or pocket. And for added security, the wallet features a leather strap with a magnetic stud mechanism, ensuring that your device stays safely inside. But that's not all. The case also features up to 3 card slots as well as a larger compartment for cash and banknotes. And the inner frame is lined with soft microfiber to add an additional layer of protection to the back of the handset. The Ringke Onyx case for the Google Pixel 7 is not just any ordinary case, it's a case that has been designed with the device's protection in mind. Made of durable TPU material which increase protection against impact and scratches. This case is slim and lightweight, making it easy to carry around with you wherever you go. But don't let its lightweight design fool you, it provides heavy-duty protection to keep your device safe from drops and scratches. Not only that, but it also features anti-skid and anti-fingerprint properties, making it easy to grip and keep clean. And for those who like to keep their phone close at hand, the case also has lanyard holes so you can easily attach a lanyard for added convenience. And if you're someone who likes to charge wirelessly, you'll be happy to know that this case supports wireless charging as well. With the Ringke Onyx case, you can have peace of mind knowing your Google Pixel 7 is protected in style. Incipio has a long history of developing cases that reliably keep our devices safe with minimalistic design and maximum protection. The Duo version for the Google Pixel 7 offers exactly what you'd expect from the pioneers in dual-layer technology, as it provides a hard-shell outer layer and a soft inner layer to provide both impact resistance and shock absorption. The Duo even comes with impact strut technology that elevates drop protection up to 12 feet. Besides, an antimicrobial coating prevents 99.9% of surface bacteria and germs. On top of that, the case adds a good amount of grip with no slippage, and the buttons are phenomenally clicky. The Spigen Liquid Air case for the Google Pixel 7 is a sleek and lightweight option that provides excellent protection for your smartphone. It has a slim, form-fitting design that makes it easy to carry in your pocket, and the anti-slip matte surface gives you a comfortable and secure grip. The case also features military-grade protection and air cushion technology that helps to absorb impact and keep your phone safe from damage. Besides, the raised edges protect your Pixel 7 screen and camera from getting scratched, plus this case is compatible with both wireless and reverse wireless charging, so no hassle of removing the case. So that was all about the top 7 case for Google Pixel 7 just for you. Which one do you want to buy? We would love to hear from you. Please let us know in the comment section down below, and as always, thanks for watching our video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you find this video to be helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.